Hello, third graders. Welcome to lesson 4.10. Today we're talking more about area and perimeter. Before we start anything, let's go over those two terms. If we want to find the perimeter of a shape, what do? We add up all the sides. Perimeter is the outside, right? Around the outside. If we want to find the area, what do? We figure out how many squares are on the inside, right? Perimeter is the outside and area is the inside. Now, usually I'd have you open up to this page, but I don't want you actually today to do so. Just take a look here. We have a rectangle over here, and we can figure out the area and the perimeter. Well, the area is the inside, and we can think about this like an array. So let's talk about what's one way that we could figure out the area, right? The inside of this shape. What's one thing we could do? Okay, a couple of things that we might have said here and the different ways that we could find area. We could count every single square. That would work. We could count one row and then count by that, right? So there's 7 in this row. So 7, 14, 21. We could do that. Or we could multiply. We could multiply how long this is, the length, by how many rows there are. 6. And we would get an area of what? Use any of those strategies and tell me what the area is. 42. Okay, 42. If you counted every square, you got 42. If you counted by sevens, you got 42. And if you did 6 times 7, you got 42. Okay, units squared. Perimeter is around the outside. Go around this. So what could we do to find the perimeter? Okay, we could count each side and then add it up. We could count each side and then know that the other side is the same, right? So 1, and I'm going to draw my lines here. Where's my line guy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And so that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So I know that this side is 7 and this side is 6. That means this side is 7 and this side is 6. What do you get when you figure out the perimeter? What's the answer? You get 26. Okay. Now, if you added those up and didn't get 26, then that just means that there was something wrong with your adding. So check your adding there for me. Okay, and we have now done number 3 and number 4, which are talk about different ways to find the area and the perimeter. All right, let's keep going with this. Our goal here, we're finding areas of rectangles, perimeters of polygons, right? In particular rectangles here, and developing those strategies today. Let's do another one here. As we look at perimeter, right? The perimeter for this shape, we have 6 and 4. Now, the perimeter is not 10. Why is the perimeter? Okay, I know I need to add up the sides for perimeter around the outside. 6 plus 10. Why is this? If I write this here, why is that wrong? It's wrong because I did not add up all of the sides, right? This side is 6 and this side is 4. So these two are 10. These two are 10. This perimeter is 20 centimeters. Okay. The area is the inside. Now there's no squares on this one, right? But I remember from our last lesson that I can multiply the length. 6 times 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So the area is 24 centimeters squared. See that little 2? It's supposed to be a 2. That tells me we're talking about squares, right? Area is the squares that fill up the inside. So I have perimeter and area. In this case, the area is a larger number than the perimeter, but sometimes the perimeter is a larger number than the area. And that's going to be an important tool in a game that we're going to do today. Let's do a little matching here. So each one of these cards goes with one of these cards at the top. So this one says the perimeter. To do the perimeter of this shape, it would be 11 plus 3 plus 11 plus 3. Well, that's not true about that. 4, no, 11 and 3. All right, that one goes over there. All right, see how this works? 33 square miles. So squares, we know squares are area. So let's see. 4 times 4 is 16. 9 times 4 is 36. That's close, but not 33. 8 times 8 is 64. 3 times 11 is 33. Hey, look, we found another one that goes over here. All right, 28 miles. So this has got to be perimeter because it doesn't say square miles. So one of these shapes, when we add up all 4 sides, one of them equals 28. Let's see, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's not 28. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 and 13 more is 26. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 32. Oh my goodness, is it going to be this one again? 3 plus 11 is 14. Plus 3 is 17. Yep, there it is again. All right, another one. All right, let's try to get one that doesn't go with that. This one doesn't go with that one. Area equals 4 times 4. Does that go with the first rectangle, the second, or the third? Goes with the first, right? 4 times 4 to get the area of this one. Okay, 32 inches. That doesn't go with this one either. So this is obviously a perimeter because it doesn't say square. Which of these has a perimeter of 32? The first one, the second one, or the third one? Perimeter of 32. It's this guy, okay? 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 32, right? So area and perimeter, we don't have time to go through all of those because I need to show you how to play rugs and fences. So let's come over here. We're going to go to our home here. And we need to go to, where is it? There it is, McGraw-Hill, right? McGraw-Hill, that's our everyday math. I wish they would call it everyday math, but they didn't. You get a grid like this, right? And then somewhere on your grid is MC. Now, I'll have a lot of books here. You'll probably only have one, and you'll choose the 3rd grade book. I'm going to choose the 3rd grade student book as well. If you have 2 classes here, be sure to pick the one with V for virtual. And then you're going into games online. Now, watch this because this is a little tricky. Our game is called Rugs and Fences, but it's not here. Oh no, what do I do? Do I email Mr. White? No, because you're going to listen. And if you choose the one that says challenge, these are the challenge games, then you can play Rugs and Fences. So you click on Rugs and Fences. Rugs and Fences number 1. Our goal here is that players try to earn more points than their opponent by calculating areas and perimeters of rectangles. During each round, one player calculates either the area or perimeter of the displayed rectangle. Then the other player calculates the remaining value. Correct values are added to each player's score. So you have to try to pick whether the perimeter or the area is going to be worth more. Let's play just a quick round here so you can see it. You probably won't be able to hear the sound. I'm going to be orange. Computer can be blue. All right, so it's my turn, right? It's my turn, so I need to decide whether I'm going to find the perimeter or the area. Okay, so let's see, where do I start clicking? I start clicking. So I'm going to, let's see if I do the, what's this going to be worth more? So perimeter is going to be 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. So 5 and 5 is 10, 2 and 2. It's going to be 14 for the perimeter. The area would be 5 times 2. So I'm going to go, the perimeter is more. So I need to type in the perimeter and then pick perimeter. And I got 14 points. All right, let's see what the computer does. So the perimeter got the area, right? So that was a good decision by me. I got the one that was worth more. Now it's the computer's turn, 7 and 8. The computer got 30 points by doing the perimeter, but that wasn't the best decision. Because if I do the area, 7 times 8 is 56. I'm going to get more points. Am I in the lead? Oh, I'm in the lead. All right. So remember, this game is under challenge games. Remember, if you are, if you know, a lot of the multiplication facts you'll know. If there's ones that you get stuck on, then use one of those math fact tables to help you out. All right. That's your goal today, is to play Rugs and Fences. I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you get to learn a little bit more about perimeter and area. All right. That's all, third graders. Good luck.